Namaste everyone. Today let's discuss about 10th-Vyanjana Sandhi, which is a Tugagama Sandhi. What is a Tugagama Sandhi? We'll see definition and with examples. So the Tugagama Sandhi is, there is a first case which is compulsory and second case which is optional. What is that mandatory case? The case is when Hrasva Swara, which is a short vowel, when Hrasva Swara is followed by Chakara, then the Chakara will get added at the left hand side. So here Agama will happen. So the first case is, which is a mandatory case, when Hrasva Swara, which is a short vowel, followed by Chakara, then a new letter, which is a Chakara, will get added at the left hand side. This is the first case. And the second case is, which is the optional case. Optional is when Dirgha Swara, when the long vowel, when long vowel is followed by Chakara, then Chakara will optionally added at the end of left hand side. So in both the cases Agama will happen, the additional of new letter will happen. The only thing is, first is a mandatory case, which is a Chakara will get added at the left hand side, it is mandatory. In the second case, it is optional. This Sandhi, it may happen or may not happen, it's fine. It is optional. So let's understand this with examples, with the definition in a table format. So there are two cases in this Sandhi, which is a Tugagama Sandhi. When Hrasva Swara, if short vowel, the short vowel is followed by Chakara, then Agama will happen at the left hand side. What is that Agama letter? Chakara. It will get appended at the left hand side, and the rest of the letters remain as it is at both sides. And this is a mandatory case. What is the second case, which is an optional case? The optional case is if Dirgha Swara, a long vowel is followed by Chakara, then Agama will happen at the left hand side and the Agama letter is Chakara. That's it. First one is mandatory, second one is optional case. These are the two cases of Tugagama Sandhi. Let's understand this with examples. So this is the example for first case. Samskrita plus Chhatraha. What is the expression for Samskrita? Sakara plus plus Sakara plus Kakara plus R plus Takara plus A. What is the expansion for Chhatraha? Chakara plus aha plus takara plus repa plus aha. Now what our definition says? When Hrasva Swara, which is a short vowel, here A is a short vowel, when it is followed by Chakara, then what will happen? Agama will happen at the left hand side. And what is that Agama letter? Chakara. This will get added additionally at the left hand side. And all the other letters will remain as it is at both sides. The only change is a new letter Chakara will get added, will get appended at the left hand side. That's it. So finally Samskrita plus Chhatraha became Samskrita Chhatraha. This is the first example for first case. Let's see one more example. The second example is Vriksha plus Chaya. What is the expansion for Vriksha? Vakara plus R plus Kakara plus Sha plus A. What is the expansion for Chaya? Chakara plus A plus Yakara plus A. Now what our definition says? When Hrasva Swara, which is a short vowel, here A is a short vowel, when Hrasva Swara is followed by Chakara, here it satisfied both. Here A is followed by Chakara. Now what will happen? The change is a new letter Chakara will get appended at the left hand side. So it got added at the left hand side, and all the other letters remain as it is at both sides. The only change is chakara will get added additionally at the left hand side. Now finally vriksha plus chaya became vrikshachaya. This is one more example for first case, which is the mandatory case. Now we'll see the optional case. What is the optional case? When dirgha swara is followed by chakara, then chakara will get added at the left hand side optionally. The example is matra plus chandasa. What is the expansion for matra? Makara plus a plus takara plus repa plus a. What is the expansion for chandasa? Chakara plus a plus nakara plus dakara plus a plus sakara plus a. Now the definition says the dirgha swara, which is a long vowel. Here a is a long vowel. A is followed by chakara. So it satisfied second case. Now what is the change for second case? It is an optional case. The sandhi may happen or may not happen. So it is an optional sandhi, but still we are applying sandhi. So what will happen? The change is chakara will get added. Additional chakara will get added at the left hand side. And all the letters remain as it is at both sides. Nothing change happened to the existing letter. The only change is a new letter. Chakara will get additionally added at the left hand side. That's it. So finally matra plus chandasa became matra chandasa. And since it is a optional sandhi, it has two forms. This is after applying this sandhi. This is an optional case. In this sandhi, in Tugagama Sandhi, there are two cases. One is mandatory case that we have seen two examples, and this is the optional case. So since it is an optional case, this is after applying sandhi. This is the format. And what is the, if we don't apply the sandhi, since it is optional, this remain as it is. Matra plus chandasa became matra chandasa. This is after applying sandhi. This is the second format is if we don't apply the rule. Since it is optional, it has two formats. You can write any form. That's it. So we'll see the definition once again. Tugagama Sandhi is, the first case is a mandatory case. What is that case? When hrasva swara, which is a short vowel, is followed by chakara, then chakara will get added at the end of left hand side. Agama will happen. And this is a mandatory case. What is the second case? When dirgha swara, when a long vowel is followed by chakara, then agama will happen at the left hand side. This chakara will get optionally added at the left hand side. You can add it or you might not add it. If you want to add, you can. It is an optional case. That's it. These are the two cases of Tugagama Sandhi. So thank you all for joining. In the next class, we'll discuss about 11th Vyanjana Sandhi. Okay, I'll end the class now.